Welcome, class. Today, we are exploring the fascinating world of velocity and motion with our colorful friends.
Look at them line up. I bet the robot is going to win because he's made of metal. And metal is fast, right?
Not necessarily, dear friend. Speed is about balance and technique, not just what you are made of. And they are off.
Whoa, did you see that fire? This track is way more intense than I expected for a simple race.
Against all odds, they have crossed the finish line. Look at that glorious victory and the confetti raining down. What a spectacular display of effort today. Don't forget to hit that. Welcome to the sunny, bustling farm. Look at all these amazing machines ready for a big day of work.
I bet that blue truck is carrying a giant pizza, or maybe a mountain of socks.
Not quite silly. That is a telehandler, and it is here to help us harvest some delicious, fresh fruit. Wow, look at how gently it handles that apple. It is like a giant mechanical arm. And here comes the red tractor. It has a special front loader to scoop up that massive watermelon.
They are working together like a perfect team. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Absolutely. Now, watch as the big yellow dump truck arrives. It is the perfect vehicle to carry all this produce away.
It is so shiny. Is it going to take the fruit on a long road trip across the country?
It is certainly preparing for a big journey. Everything is being organized with such precision today. Watch closely now, because the loading process is about to begin. Every piece of fruit has its place. That watermelon is huge, but the tractor lifts it with ease. These machines are incredibly strong. Steady as she goes. It is fascinating to see how they maneuver around the truck without bumping into anything. And with the truck fully loaded, our work here is done. What a productive day on the farm. Goodbye, everyone.
Hell yeah!
Deep within the mist, shadows stir. A robotic cat emerges, heralding a chilling prophecy that says, "It's time."
Wait, is that a cat made of metal? Maybe it's just a fancy toy that lost its way in the graveyard.
Not exactly. Look how the world shifts. We've moved from the shadows to a kingdom of pure, chaotic light.
Whoa, did you see that? Sonic.exe is transforming right before our eyes. Is he evolving into a super-powered hedgehog?
That isn't evolution. It's a mysterious surge of energy. Everything is colliding in this strange, vibrant reality. Silence falls as quickly as it began. The landscape is peaceful again, but the warning remains clear.
Danger is lurking just beneath the surface. Don't get caught off guard. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a mystery.
Yay!
Welcome to the bustling construction zone, where our blue excavator and red roller are just waking up for a big day of work.
Look at that claw go. It's picking up those cement bags like they're made of fluffy marshmallows. I bet I could lift those too.
Not quite, my friend. Those bags are incredibly heavy, but our blue excavator handles them with such graceful precision, clearing the pallet in no time. Everything is organized now. The dump truck and the loader are ready to help move materials across the field. They are moving like a well-oiled machine. It's like a mechanical dance near those ancient stone ruins.
Wait, did you see that? The orange excavator is breaking through the stone! Oh my goodness, is that a hidden treasure chest?
It truly is! The blue excavator is carefully lifting the chest out from the debris. It's a remarkable discovery, buried right beneath the site. With the chest secured, they are loading it into the dump truck. The team has done an incredible job today. The site is clean, the treasure is safe, and our hard-working machines deserve a long rest. Thanks for joining us on this amazing adventure. We'll see you next time. Look at these hard-working machines, finally settling down for a quiet movie night under the stars.
Wait, did that tractor just drift into a power pole? Maybe he was just trying to practice his parallel parking.
Actually, it looks like a serious accident, not a parking mishap. The excavator and the tow truck are arriving to assess the damage.
Oh no, tow truck. The movie was getting good.
I see
and the
now.
power went out.
The whole crew is coming
over there.
together to help
It's a
out. They
traffic
really are
accident.
the ultimate team, aren't
The
they?
power pole has been knocked down.
Teamwork is essential in construction. With the crane providing support and the tow truck pulling, they are clearing that pole with precision. With the road clear and safety restored, our friends head back to their movie. It's a wonderful reminder that when we help each other, we can get back to the things we love. Good night, machines! Look at that! Our bear friend is starting his day early, climbing into a bright red tractor to get some serious work done.
Wait, is he going to race that tractor? I bet he's trying to win the Farmyard Grand Prix.
Not quite, silly. He's actually plowing the field to prepare the soil for new seeds. It is hard work, but very important for the harvest. He is really committed to those rows. See how the earth turns over? That creates the perfect home for the crops to grow.
I could watch him go back and forth all day. It's almost like he's painting a masterpiece on the land.
Now that the seeds are in, he's carefully watering every single one. Nature needs a little help from a gentle hand to thrive.
He is so patient. I would have probably accidentally watered my own shoes by now.
Time for the big machines! That green harvester is ready to collect all the golden corn he worked so hard to grow. Look at that mechanical beast go! It gobbles up the stalks and leaves behind a bounty of food for the barn.
It is like a giant vacuum cleaner for vegetables. I wish cleaning my room was that efficient.
Finally, he uses his forklift to organize everything into crates. Precision is the secret to a well-run farm. Wouldn't you agree? He really knows his stuff. From the first seed to the final crate, our bear friend has proven that hard work and a steady pace truly bring the best harvest of all. Welcome to our beautiful, sun-drenched farm. Look at how the windmills turn in the gentle breeze.
Check out that bright red tractor. It is definitely heading to a tractor party, right?
Not quite, little friend. That tractor is working hard, maneuvering steadily around the bend to reach the fields. And here comes a blue pickup truck, cruising along the path like it owns the road.
Oh no, they are getting too close. Look, the tractor just tipped over in the surprise collision.
Don't worry, help is on the way. See that yellow excavator emerging from the barn? It's coming to save the day. That big machine is moving with such determination. It knows exactly how to help its friend get back on track. watch the mechanical arm lift the tractor. It is a perfect display of teamwork and strength in action. They did it! The tractor is upright again. It is truly wonderful to see friends helping friends get back to work. Until next time, keep exploring! Welcome to the sunny field, everyone! Look at these two sturdy machines waiting for their big day of work.
Are they waiting for a tractor race? I bet the truck is the fastest one here.
Not quite, silly. They are actually here to help us move some very heavy materials today. Watch closely as the wheel loader lifts that massive rock with ease.
Wow, that bucket is huge. It scoops up everything in its path like a hungry giant.
It is a rhythmic dance of engineering, moving dirt from the ground to the truck bed.
Back and forth, back and forth! The truck is filling up so quickly now.
They are working together perfectly, like a team of superheroes getting a big job done.
Now the excavator is stepping in. That grapple attachment looks like a giant metal claw.
Indeed, it is perfect for grabbing those heavy, awkward logs that the loader couldn't handle. Precision is key here. It has to place them just right, so nothing falls out.
I could watch this all day. It's like a mechanical puzzle being solved piece by piece.
Every movement is deliberate and steady, ensuring the load is stable for the long drive ahead.
The final logs are tucked away. That truck is looking quite heavy now.
With the work complete, the truck prepares to head off on its journey.
Off it goes! I wonder if it's going to build a cabin or maybe a huge campfire.
It rolls steadily across the field, moving with purpose toward the barn in the distance. The truck arrives at its final stop. It's time to deliver the goods. And just like that, the job is done. What a wonderful day of hard work and teamwork. See you next time. Look at that! A busy day on the farm begins. Our bear friend is ready to get to work.
Is he going to take that truck for a joyride across the whole country?
Not quite! He has a much more important mission. He is delivering life irrigate. By driving while he sprays, he covers so much ground efficiently. Magic is happening beneath the surface. With the sun and the water, those tiny seeds are finally waking up.
I bet he's looking for treasure. Maybe he's digging for gold?
Better than gold, he's found a bountiful harvest. Look at those beautiful, round watermelons.
Wow, those look delicious. I'm starving just watching them.
The hard work pays off as the harvester gathers the fruits of their labor. It is a true testament to patience and care. From a dry patch of earth to a truck full of sweet rewards, nature and effort have worked perfectly together. Look at that powerful machine rolling into town. It is an excavator, ready for a big day of construction.
I bet it's looking for buried treasure. Maybe a giant gold coin hidden under the sheriff's office?
Not quite, silly. It is actually preparing the ground for some important new infrastructure in our desert town. Watch as the bucket bites into the earth. That is a lot of dirt being moved with such precision.
It is like a giant spoon making a soup out of the street. Yummy, sandy soup!
Here comes a red tow truck, zooming across the desert floor to see what all the fuss is about. The tow truck has arrived. Now they can work together to finish the job.
Maybe the tow truck is there to pull the excavator out if it gets stuck in the hole.
That is an interesting theory, but the excavator is actually using its arm to test the tow truck's crane. They are playing a game of mechanical tag. Look at them move together so gracefully. Now, a big green dump truck rumbles by, carrying a heavy load to keep the construction moving forward. It has such a steady pace. It really knows how to handle that dusty desert road.
Watch out for the road roller. It didn't see the hole in hoops. Down it goes.
That was quite a tumble. Luckily, our construction friends are nearby to help pull it out soon. What a busy day in our little town. Thanks for joining us on this construction adventure. See you next time. Look at these mighty machines arriving at the park today. They look like giant mechanical beetles ready to start their work.
I bet they're here to play hide and seek among the trees. Can the yellow loader find a good hiding spot?
Not quite. They are actually preparing for a very important job. When these heavy-duty vehicles gather, something big is about to happen. The yellow loader is clearing the path, making sure everything is perfectly positioned for the team.
Now the red and blue excavators are moving it. They look so serious, don't they? Almost like they're discussing a secret plan.
Precision is key here. The loader maintains a steady pace, keeping the perimeter safe while the experts get to work. Working in perfect harmony, the two excavators begin the delicate process of removing the large tree.
Watch how the red excavator uses its arm to slice through the wood. It's like watching a master chef, but with giant steel claws.
Efficiency is the name of the game. The logs are carefully lifted and placed into the waiting dump truck, clearing the area piece by piece. With the work finished, the park begins to breathe again as the machines head home. It is truly fascinating to see how teamwork transforms the landscape. Until next time, keep observing the wonders of the world around you! Welcome to the dusty plains, where the sun beats down on a town built by iron giants. Look at that red excavator, ready to bite into the solid earth.
It's trying to dig for buried treasure. Maybe it's looking for a giant snack. It's drilling so hard, the ground is literally shaking.
Not quite, my friend. It is actually breaking down the mountain to harvest stone. See how the rocks scatter? That is the start of a massive construction project.
Oh, here comes the cleanup crew. That orange excavator is moving fast, scooping up all those boulders. It's playing a giant game of shovel ball.
It is a very efficient worker indeed. By clearing the debris, it prepares the site for the next step in our industrial puzzle. They are working together. The loader and the excavator are a perfect team, moving those rocks into one big, organized pile. Now the heavy lifter takes over. That yellow claw machine has a grip like a titan, dropping rocks straight into the hungry jaws of the crusher. Everything is being transformed now. The raw stone flows through the presses, emerging as perfectly shaped, solid building blocks. And there goes our final product. Loaded high and ready for the road, that dump truck carries the town's future away. What a magnificent display of engineering harmony! Welcome to the farm. where our gentle cow friends are enjoying a peaceful morning near the barn.
Look at them go! I bet they are planning a big cow party with all that delicious hay.
They are simply having their breakfast, keeping their strength up for a long day of grazing.
Wait a minute. Is that a bear driving a tractor? Since when do bears have driver's licenses?
That is a very busy bear indeed, hard at work, delivering supplies across the farmstead. He seems quite focused on his mission, navigating the winding paths with steady precision.
Oh, but look ahead! A giant tree trunk has fallen right across his path. That looks like a big problem.
Indeed, but fortunately, the farm's heavy machinery is ready to spring into action. Watch closely as the excavator positions its powerful circular saw to clear the way.
It cuts through that wood like it is made of soft butter. That is some incredible engineering.
With the trunk now neatly divided, the path is almost ready to be cleared completely. Here comes the telehandler. It is like the cleanup crew arriving to finish the job. See how it uses those sturdy forks to lift the heavy debris away? It is remarkably efficient. The path is clear. The bear can finally continue his journey back to the cows. And there he goes, passing by with his cargo of hay, relieved to have a clear road ahead. Everything is back to normal. The bear parks his tractor, and the farm returns to its quiet, harmonious routine. It is wonderful to see how everyone on the farm works together to keep things running smoothly. Until next time!